Makes sense, but at the same time, when conversation is going on, so somewhere in our mind we try to observe our customer at the
Yeah.
same time, where
We
we
try to,
where we put him in the box.
yeah,
So
we
at the
try
same
to,
time, it matlab, instead of giving the responses, we try to understand and then give. If he asking for data, so put the data as much as possible, so we can satisfy his need.
Excellent.
It's good to be in different shoes, so as to
yes.
experience. Okay, when
We are
you're
trying to analyze them in all those quadrants.
Yes, at the same time.
Very nice. Very nice. And it's the first time we are doing it. So obviously it takes time. But with practice,
makes perfect.
yeah, it will become muscle memory. Muscle memory is something now it comes naturally to you.
Yes.
So do you think this is going to help you in your sales conversations?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I think if we do it on regular basis, then it will help us a lot.
Definitely help. Yeah. And if you're meeting the customer for the second time, then you already can, after the meeting, just analyze and think, look back at the meeting and see where the customer falls into. And then you can always prepare the next follow-up meeting accordingly.
Based upon, yeah.
Yeah.
Should be, yeah.
Aman, what are your thoughts? Tode ki thoughts again?
जी सर.
हाँ जी.
नहीं सर, वही when we are seeing those people performing as a role play, we are trying to imagine, मतलब we are trying to read them और imagine कर रहे थे हर quadrant में उनको कि किस quadrant में वो fall करते हैं. तो हमें उस तरीके से start करना है या फिर उसको कैसे लेके जाना है उस way में ताकि कुछ convincing लगे. So यही try था सबका उसमें.
Absolutely. Now the pertinent question, ladies and gentlemen, that I'd like to bring to your notice is, what do I do if the same customer last time was analytical, but this time is behaving more controlling? For example, can you imagine the situation?
Yes.
That I went prepared thinking कि ये analytical है. This is my last interaction. But this time, the customer appears to be more controlling. Is this a case of multiple personality disorder? Or is this something else? जानना चाहोगे आप?
Yes.
Yes? Would you like to know more about this?
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. What is the problem? Why is the customer behaving differently in two different meetings? How many of you would like to know more about this? Please give me a show of hands. तो इसका जवाब coming soon at a Zoom window near you after a small coffee break.